Welcome back to W3D Studio, and sorry I haven't posted anything for quite long. So now let me share to you one of my latest fun project, and that is a design of Lenshood for webcam. So here I have my webcam right here, and my video light source is over here on the left side. And sometimes if I position the webcam more to this angle, or maybe the lighting from more to the back of my position, meaning it will be more to the front side of the camera or webcam, it will make glare. And for those of you who are familiar with photography, you will know that there's an accessories for lens that is called this one, the Lenshood, and it will helps the lens to reduce glare. And yes, now I designed a Lenshood for webcam, and this webcam is, the brand is Rexus, and it's a local brand, I think. It looks like a Razer, but it's not a Razer, and I'm sure maybe some of you are using Razer or maybe other brand and so on. And this design will be applicable for a webcam that has a round shape. So maybe from any brand it's okay, but maybe the dimension will be different, so you will need to design your own and check the size of your webcam case. So I measure the diameter of my webcam. The outer diameter is 68.7 millimeters, and for the Lenshood that will cover the center part of the lens is 25 millimeters. So now I will show to you how to design that one on Design Spark Mechanical. This is the design for the webcam Lenshood, and it's going to be attached this way. So this outer wall or cylinder is like the holder. It will clip onto the webcam case, and this one, the inner cylinder, is the webcam itself. So as you can see here, the outer one is longer or taller, because it will grips the case body, or sorry, the webcam case. Okay, now let's start the design, and file, new design. Okay, and let's start with this basic two-dimensional view or the sketch mode. And now I press the B button to get the top view. Okay, anyway, you might notice that my previous tutorials are mostly using the old version of Design Spark Mechanical, but this one is the new one, version 6.0. Okay, so now let's start with the sketch. So I will make a circle with the diameter of 68.7. So the same as the outer diameter of my webcam. So 68.7 millimeters. Okay. And then I will click this one, the offset curve, and add click the circle and add thickness here. So let me input 2 millimeters. Okay. And then I will make another circle from the same center, and this one is 25 millimeters. That's going to be the Lenshood part. So this outer one is the clip or the holder, and this one is the Lenshood. Okay, and then I will click this one also, the offset curve tool, and let's click here and add add the thickness also the same, 2 millimeters. Okay, so now we have these two basic shape that we can modify or improve to make the Lenshood design. So in this case, the webcam has button on the bottom front, so we will also make that a consideration for the design. So let me click this one, line, and let me click from the center. So we will make this line. Let's say I want to use 30-degree angle. Okay. Also the same thing for the right side, 30-degree angle. Yes, and this will function as the holder. So the outer will hold the Lenshood to the case of the webcam, and this part here is going to hold this inner cylinder as the Lenshood. So actually this, the basic shape is already done, but we will add also some details, and that is we will make a cutout here so that I can still access the button the light button, even though the light itself is not strong enough from the webcam and I rarely use it, but let me add something right there to allow the access. So let me add a circle here. Well, let's say 29 millimeters is enough. Okay, and yeah, this is the basic shape. And let me click the this one, end of sketch editing. Okay, and yeah, now let's click home and start to extrude or pull. So first, this one will be the holder, so I will extrude or pull by 20 millimeters. So this is going to be the longer one, because it will hold or grips the outer ring of the outer cylinder of the webcam case. And then for this one, let me so I press Ctrl on my keyboard and click this area also, and then extrude or pull by 10 millimeters. Okay, and then the next one is this part, so I will pull, and yeah, let me also select this one. Okay, and then let's pull by 2 millimeters is enough. Okay, so this is the shape now, and yeah, maybe you can already imagine that this will be the position of the webcam right here. Okay, and now let's add some more feature on this basic design. So I click select and then click the surface, and then I press the K button on my keyboard, or you can also use this one, the sketch mode icon. Okay, and then press V also, so I have this top view again, and I will add a cutout here so that the outer cylinder will have more flexibility. So meaning it's not a fixed cylinder that will be difficult to fit on the on the outer cylinder of the webcam. So it should have a little flexibility. So let me make this shape right here, and then click this one and sketch editing, and then click here, press Ctrl. So actually you can also just select this one, but yeah, let's select all those three just to make sure, and then cut by, let's say, let me click this one first, cut on the left side, and then cut by, let's say, 10 millimeters. Okay, and now we have this shape. Let me hide this to unused surface, and then click home. Okay, so now we have this outer holder or outer grip for the Lenshood with this notch or cutout to add flexibility so that it will flex out and then hold the webcam case. Okay, now time for smoothing out or adding round and chamfer. So you might have your own preference, but yeah, let me just add. So I press Ctrl and then click this one also, and then add some radius here. So yeah, the result will not be the same as the previous one, but more or less similar. So you might want to modify by yourself. Okay, also the total length, if you want to add more length of the webcam, then that's okay, or total length of the Lenshood, and that's okay, but please make sure that you're not covering the view of the lens of the webcam. And you can also change this inner one shape from circle to become rectangle and so on, it's up to you. Okay, now let me add, I will prefer to use chamfer here to add more strength, and then here also let me add, let's say, 4 millimeters. Also here 4 millimeters. Let's use the same design, and let's add something here, 1 millimeter. Let me use the rounded one. It's up to you, you can use round or chamfer, the round or radius or chamfer. And yeah, and of course for this corner, I will add a rounded corner. Let me input 2 millimeters. Okay, and done. Not exactly the same as this one, but similar in design. So in this case, we can put this in front of the webcam, and it has several, I would say, several simple but useful design features. This one, the cutout, that will help the flexibility of the outer grip, and this one will help to hold the inner Lenshood cylinder. And this one is the cutout, so that you can still push the button that's positioned right here on the webcam. Sorry, for the orientation of printing, it's going to be like this. So this is going to be the base, and this is the top. You can use ironing if you want to have a smooth surface on top, but yeah, it's up to you. And that's all for this short tutorial video. I hope this one is useful, and thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.